Welcome back to my new video. My dear technician, one of my customer brought this phone to me. He told me that this phone shows charging error when you charge the phone. My dear technician, the first thing, I checked the battery and I see that it is ITEL battery. I asked the owner, were you using this ITEL battery before? And he told me yes, that it was working just fine. But the thing started developing error just 2 days ago. My dear technician, I used my DC power supply. I set the voltage to 5 volts and the amps to 1.5 amps, and I turn on the output. Now let me plug the charger to the charging port and see if the phone will draw any amps. Normally, this phone consumes 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 amps when charging. When the battery is low, it's going to consume 0.5 and 0.6. Let me see if the phone will consume amps from the DC power supply. Check this out, charger connected. Check this out, the phone is charging now. Now let me check the DC power supply to see. My dear technician, check this out. On the DC power supply, we have 0.000 amps, meaning that the battery is not gaining percent. The phone is not drawing any amps from the DC power supply. Okay, check this out, charging error. Charging error. So this is the error we have here. We have the charging error. My dear technician, to fix this issue is very, very simple. I repeat, to fix this issue is very, very simple. My dear technician, I repeat, to fix this issue is very, very simple. Check this out. First thing, I'll use my multimeter. Check this out, my dear technician. So make sure you use your multimeter. Let me confirm something. I want to be sure that we have output voltage on the battery connector. I check the positive side. You can see we have a 0. My dear technician, this means that something is wrong with the charging IC. This means that something is wrong with the charging IC. The charging IC is no more working. You can see 2.6 and it's not strong. This phone supposed to deliver, supposed to give out 4.1 or 4.2 volt as output, or 4.3. Okay? Because of the charging IC this phone used. The charging IC this phone used supposed to give out 4.2, 4.3, or 4.0. Okay? Some phones will give out 2.5 or 2.0. In some copy phones, some copy China phones. But this one here, this is original phone. And this phone is using an IC that can give out 4.2 without connecting the battery. I don't know whether you understand. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section right now if you don't understand. My dear technician, have in mind that some phone charging IC will need battery first before the IC will start giving 4.2 volt to the battery for charging. Okay? So it is important for you to have a DC power supply so that you use it to notice whether the phone is gaining percent or not. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. My dear technician, if you have any question, you're free to ask me in the comment section if you have any question. You're 100% free to ask me in the comment section. My dear technician, the first thing here is for me to go straight to the charging IC. Right here we have charging IC. Check this out. First thing, I will check for physical damage. Don't forget, I always say that check for physical damage. It's important. Check this out, my dear technician. First thing, I will get this IC removed because this IC is not good, it's not working. Check this out, I'll be done. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any question, please, it's important. Check this out, I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician, I will be done. Please wait, I will be done. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician, I'm done. My dear technician, so I will get this IC from 2160. Okay, I'll get this IC from 2160. I hope you know the phone. So I'll get it from 2160. Check this out. This is the one I just removed now. It's no more working. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, my dear technician. Tell me something in the comment section. Check this out. So this is 2160. 2160 use the same IC, okay? 2160, 528, and other original button phone use the same IC, okay? Others, I don't mean all phones, okay? I don't mean all phones. So make sure you check before you remove it. My dear technician, if you have any question, let me know. Please, it's important. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. 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 Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. So let me put on this one. This is the one I got from 2160. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Let me know in the comment section. If you have question, please ask me. Let me know in the comment section. I will be done. 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 My dear technician, sorry for taking your time. I'll be done, please. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question, like I said before, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I start blowing. I start blowing. I start blowing. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. I'm done. The next thing is for me to add some flux and blow again. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I'm done. Make sure you check it very well to be sure if they are connected. The next thing is for me to brush it and then test it for you guys to see. So let me test it for you guys to see. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. Please wait. It's charging. Now check the DC power supply. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me show you. It's charging. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me show you my DC power supply. Please wait. Check this out. Let me show you now. My dear technician, check this out. You can see the amps consume 0.4, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. My dear technician, this is 100% working. If you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section if you have question. My dear technician, before I couple the phone, let me show you that the battery connector is now giving 4.2. Check this out. You can see 4.2, 4.3, 4.2, meaning that it is 100% working. Now let me couple the phone. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done fixing everything. Let me turn on the phone. Check this out. Let me plug charger. By the technician, check this out. It works like magic. It works like magic. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. By the technician, check this out. 100% done. It's charging. Now check the DC power supply. You can see this cable is connected to the DC power supply. Check this out. You can see 0.3 amps. It's 100% working. No more charging error. No more this. No more that. My dear technician, if you are using a Techno phone, I will advise you to use either a universal battery or a Techno battery, because this ITEL battery may not work perfectly in this phone. So I will tell the owner of this phone to change the battery to Techno so that this phone will enjoy. Have in mind that the NTC is very, very important in any phone, so that the phone will be able to detect the battery and any other thing. Check this out. It works like magic. My dear technician, see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye-bye. Bye for now.